is. Okay. Result will be 2-methyl butane. Write down how to write. Butane means 4 carbons. 2-methyl means second position. 1-methyl is there. Yes or no? Right. Okay. Remaining bonds with the hydrogen. CH3, CH, CH2, CH. So this is a 2-methyl butane. How many chiral compounds are possible on monochlorination? Monochlorination means monochlorination. Okay. Reaction with chlorine. So a chlorination kuda oka chlorine add avali. That can be treated with only one chlorine. Okay. Adi dichloro product form aide. So oka chlorine react aide adi monochloro product form chestadi. Alage 2 chlorine aide dichloro. Ikkada manaku adigindi enti? Which is asking monochlorination products. Monochlorination anadu కాబట్టి ఒకటి. Okay. How many positives? Tell me. Okay, E is H లో CH3 లో మన H రిప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాం chlorine. ఏ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Tell me. CH2 Cl, CH2 Cl, same CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is one positivity. And another one. Now, the chlorine is attacked on this position. ఈ పొజిషన్ అటాక్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఇక్కడ అటాక్ ఏమో చెప్పండి. CH3 CH3 chlorine CH2 CH3. Okay. Next another possibility. Tell me. Now the chlorine is attacked on this position. Ekkada attack avachchu. Ekkada attack ayemo cheppandi. CH3 CH CH3 C. Okay, ఒక H రిప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. HCl రిమూవ్ అయిపోద్ది. అక్కడ CH దగ్గర ఒక Cl యాడ్ అవుతుంది. CH3. Now, what is the other possibility? Tell me. Oscar. So CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Here of H replace ideally Cl. Any other possibilities?
No, sir.
So ikkadana మీరు ఇక్కడన్నా ఒకటే కదా. అదే కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఆడైనా ఇది మనము ఇక్కడ ఆడైనా అనుకోండి ఇది మెయిన్ చైన్ ఒక బ్రాంచ్ అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆడైతే ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ చైన్ లేదా బ్రాంచ్ సో ఇక్కడ ఆడైనా ఒకటే కాబట్టి ఇది ఒకటే రాశాను ఇంకా ఎన్ని అదర్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ నేను ఇక్కడ రాశాను ఆ తర్వాత ఇది రీప్లేస్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేశాను 4 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఓకే 4 monochlorination products are there monochlorination products means only one chlorine is attached to that carbon okay na 2 chlorine attache to dichlorination product okay now chiral compounds if 4 compounds lo which is the chiral compound how many chiral compounds are there chiral means tell me
yes 4 and
different attached groups of carbon is different that is chiral or asymmetric carbon 4 attached carbon which does it mean okay this is not a chiral why now this one
how does sir
this one very good CH so this is chiral how is chiral 4 groups CH2Cl CH3 CH2CH3 H so this is the chiral carbon yes or no yes chiral carbon is represented by star now this one okay this is not a chiral carbon
yes sir
these two groups are same this is also not a chiral compound two atoms are same this is also not okay right now this one this is also why this is not a chiral compound this is a chiral compound 1 2 3 4 these 4 groups are different yes or no yes this is a chiral carbon okay now this one this is not a chiral this is not a chiral This is also not a chiral. Why two hydrogen atoms? So tell me, what is the answer? Two. Two is the answer. B. So how many chiral compounds? 1, 2. So the chiral compounds are represented by star. Are you understood my concept? So first of all, the compound 2-methyl-butane is monochlorinated. We can write the possibility products. So in these possible products, which is a chiral compound that can be identified. What is the chiral compound? 4. Compound must be containing 4 different atomic groups. Right. So this one and this. Okay, these two are chiral. Answer is 2. Now, B. Third one. The major product often in the photocatalyzed bromination of 2-methyl-butane. 2-methyl-butane. We know that 2-methyl-butane. Tell me, say this one. This is the 2-methyl-butane. Yes or no? CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So at the second position, yes. Okay, 2-methyl-butane. Now, photocatalyzing bromination. Right. Photo means in the presence of light. So the reaction can take place in the presence of light. That reactions are said to be photochemical reactions. Photochemical reactions. In photochemical reactions, free radicals are obtained. What are obtained? Free radicals are obtained. For example, you can read. So this is C bond H. So when light is incident on that this compound, దీని మీద కాంతి పడినట్లయితే లైట్ పడినట్లయితే అప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? What happened? Homopacity can take place. Homopacity means that dissociation of bond is equal. Okay, bond అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా dissociate అవుతుంది. So this bond contains 2 electron, H radical and C radical. So what is obtained? CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3 radical, H radical plus H radical. This is which carbon? Okay. Which free radical? This is which free radical? Tertiary, secondary, tertiary. Tertiary, secondary, primary. Secondary. This carbon. This free radical is a tertiary, secondary, primary. Tertiary. 3 carbons. There are carbon having free radical that can link with the other carbons. 3 carbons. So that is the tertiary free radical. Okay. Listen to me. Now, maybe this hydrogen here bond dissociation can take place. Homopacity. Which free radical is obtained? Which free radical is obtained? Secondary free radical is obtained. Now this position primary. So according to stability of free radicals, which free radical is more stable?
Secondary, primary,
Methyl. Yes or no? Yes, this is the stability order. Okay. Now, after in the photocatalysis bromination that can be treated with the bromine. Br2. So bromine. Listen to me. Bromination. Okay. Br bond Br. That can also forms free radicals. Br radical. Now the Br radical is attached on the attack at free radical. Why this Br is attack on the tertiary free radical, not at secondary, at primary? Tertiary is more stable. So that can give us a stability product. Okay, are you understand my concept? So here photocatalyzed bromination can take place at tertiary free radical carbon. Okay, not secondary, not at primary. Now what is the Product name, tell me. What is the product name? Tell me. According to right page, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Right, tell me. 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. 2 bromo, 2 methyl butane. Okay, that is the right answer. Next. So 2 methyl butane undergoes homopoison in the presence of light to form tertiary free radical. Here bromine is attacked at tertiary free radical to form 2 bromo 2 methyl butane. Okay, right. That is the stability product. When compare it to secondary and primary free radical. Okay. Now, if the following sequence of reactions in the alkane forms the compound B. Okay, this is a reaction. CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3 can be treated with ozone. That gives A. Okay, the formed product can be treated with hydrolysis in the presence of zinc to form B. What is the name of B compound? What is the name of B compound? Right, name means compound structure. Okay, we know that ozonolysis. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. Ozonolysis. That will undergo ozonolysis. Okay. Now, CH3, CH, CH, CH3. So ozonolysis can take place at double bond. Ozonolysis can take place at double bond. So what is the product? Bond O. Okay. This is ozonide. What is the name of product? Ozonide. Ozonide. So name enchodi ikkada ee double bond to ee ozone treated ozone reacted and form ozonide అనేది ఫామ్ అయ్యింది. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్ లేదు. ozonide. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? హైడ్రాలిసిస్. ఏం చేయాలి? హైడ్రాలిసిస్. In the presence of zinc metal. Okay. Hydrolysis means result in. So this one is linked out this side. Next, this one, this one. So what happened? H2. Tell me. CH3, CH3, C, CH3, CH, O, carrying negative, C carrying positive. Here plus and minus can form a bond. So double bond. Right. Similarly, this also CH3, CH, CH3, CH, O carrying positive, C carrying a minus. C double bond O H. So that is also same product. So two molecules of CH3, C double bond O H. Here O carrying
positive,
negative. Here O carrying positive. So okay, two charges are present on one atom. Two charges are present on one atom that are cancelled. So here O is present. Here O and H2O. O and H2O is H2 hydrogen peroxide. So what is the product? CH3 CHO. CH3 CHO. CH3 C double bond which means CH3 C double bond which means CH3 CHO. Okay? What happened? That ozonolysis can take place at double bond to form ozonide project. That ozonide undergoes hydrolysis. Okay? ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాం? బాండ్ డిసోసియేషన్, ఈ బాండ్ డిసోసియేషన్ చేసాం, ఈ బాండ్ డిసోసియేషన్ చేసాం. చేస్తే CH3 CH O carrying negative, C carrying positive. So that can forms double bond. Similarly, this also CH3CH, O positive, C plus. That can also same. So two molecules of acetaldehyde is formed, and this O carrying negative and also positive one. Okay, both sides are present on the same atom. That can be cancelled. O and H2 work to form H2O. Identify the product in the following reaction. NF10 gives rise to product. Okay, in the presence of Cr2O3 obligate Al2O3 heated with about 600 degrees centigrade. So what are the options? Benzene, toluene, xylene, cyclohexane. Okay. Listen to me. NF10 CH3 CH2 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 CH2. How many carbons? CH2 CH. Okay. This reagent is used for alkanes are converted to cyclic rings. That means aromatic product is obtained. So Cr2O3 in the presence of Al2O3. ఇక్కడ cyclic structure form అవుతుంది. Dehydrogenation form అయ్యి dehydrogenation means removing of hydrogens. Form అయ్యే form కి aromatic compound form అవుతుంది. So we know that aromatic compound, stable aromatic compound have me benzene. Very good, benzene. So it requires how many carbons? 6 carbons. But here how many carbons are there? NF10 how many carbons? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that remaining carbon is this one. CH. So what is its name? Toluene. So ఒకటే గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Cr2O3 in the presence of Al2O3 at 600 degrees centigrade. Here N alkanes are converted to aromatic compounds. N alkanes are converted to aromatic. So benzene చేస్తాము, ఆ తర్వాత ఎన్ని ఎక్సెస్ కార్బన్ ఉన్నాయో అని చేస్తాం. సపోజ్ ఆర్కేన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 8 కదా. 8 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? CH2 CH3 ఎథైల్ బెంజీన్ వస్తుంది. ఏ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఎథైల్ బెంజీన్ ఫామ్. సో Cr2O3 the presence of Al2O3 at 600 degrees centigrade. Okay, now next bit, the gas liberated by the electrolysis of dipotassium succinate solution is, we know that succinic acid. So COOH, COOH, this is oxalic acid. This is oxalic acid. If one CH2 is inserted between the COOH, that is said to be malonic acid. Malonic acid. If another CH2 is inserted in that cyclic structure, that is succinic acid. This is a succinic acid. So CH2, CH2, COOH, COOH. This is succinic acid. So here what is given? Dipotassium succinate. So this succinic acid can be treated with potassium hydroxide. The potassium hydroxide H and OH can be removed. Similarly this also. So what is obtained? CH3COOK, CH3COOK. So this is the salt of potassium. K. So what its name? Dipotassium succinate. This is the dipotassium succinate. Dipotassium succinate. Okay. This is the solution. Solution is adding water. Water means HOH. So this solution undergoes electrolysis. Electrolysis means two electrodes are dipped in this solution, and that two are connected with the battery, external battery. Okay, that is that undergoes electrolysis. Okay, in electrolysis, two products are obtained: the anode and the cathode. Anode and the cathode. We know that. Right. Listen to me. Simply outright this bond is delta. This bond. Okay. This. What happened? HH. Hydrogen radical. H2. H2 plus CO2 2CO2 plus KOH K plus KOH 2KOH and next one CH2 here bond is up and we will CH2 radical can form say bond. So CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. So CH2 double bond CH2. So these are the products. Here ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 is suddenly ethene and carbon dioxide are obtained at anode, and hydrogen gas and potassium hydroxide are obtained at cathode. Okay. The answers, which gas is obtained? Ethene gas is obtained. So CH3 CH3 that is ethane. CH2 double bond CH3 is ethene. CH triple bond CH is ethyl. So CH2 double bond CH2 means ethene, alkene. Okay, right. This is the electrolysis. So in the electrolysis, ethene and carbon dioxide are obtained at hydrogen and potassium hydroxide are obtained at cathode. So once again, right, this bond is dissociated, this bond is ionized. KOH 2KOH H2 CO2 and CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, right. This is the answer. Next, the reagent needed for converting diphenyl acetylene. What is name? CH triple bond CH acetylene. Here two phenyl groups are linked. That is diphenyl acetylene to this. Okay. Here options are given. 4 options are given. Okay. Here what happened? According to please observe these two structures. This is triple bond, this is double bond. Here the triple bond is converted to double bond by adding up hydrogens. Very good. By adding up hydrogens. Here hydrogens are absent. Here hydrogens are added. Adding up hydrogen is have to be reduction. Very good. Adding up hydrogen is have to be reduction. So we are okay. And this is the reduction reaction. H2 right okay boundary. A tarvata. Okay, this product is product or trans product? Trans product. We know that identical atoms are present on same side of the double bond, that is cis. Identical atoms are not present on same side of the double bond, that is trans. Here what are identical atoms? Hydrogens and BH. So that are not present on same side of the double bond, that are present on opposite side of the double bond. So this is a trans product. So this is a trans product. Okay, this is said to be Birch reduction. Birch reduction. This is the Birch reducing reagent. This is the lithium in the presence of ammonia, liquid ammonia, or sodium in the presence of lithium or sodium. Okay, both are same. Lithium and sodium that are present in first year elements. So lithium or sodium in the presence of liquid ammonia, that reagent is said to be which reducing reagent? Okay, here this is the Lindlar catalyst. Lindlar catalyst. Palladium by barium sulfate. So this is the Lindlar catalyst. Lindlar catalyst. Okay, all are reductions. Catalytic hydrogenation. Hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar catalyst. This is the picture reduction. This is also LiLH4. That is also a lithium aluminum hydride. That is the strong reducing reagent. But a strong reducing reagent cannot use here. Why? Here triple bond will convert it to double bond. If it is used all the triple bonds, that means here the 2 pi bonds and disappear. That means single bond is obtained. So lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing reagent. అది ఎక్కువ హైడ్రోజన్ ఇచ్చి ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ పూర్తిగా ఉండవు, ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ బాండ్ వస్తాయి. ఇంకొక ఇచ్చి యాడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది డబుల్ బాండ్ వచ్చిందంటే ఇక ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిందంటే సో మనం యూజ్ చేసే రెడ్యూసింగ్ రియేజెంట్స్ ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏవైనా ఈ రెండింటిలో కూడా ఏదైందంటే లిండ్లార్ catalyst gives cis product. Very important. This gives only cis product. It gives only trans product. This is very important reaction. ఈ బిగ్ క్లాస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అర్థమవుతుందా? సో lithium or sodium in the presence of ammonia, that is said to be big reduction. That is also reduction. ఇక్కడ కూడా హైడ్రోజన్ యాడ్ అవుతాయి, వీటన్నిటిలో హైడ్రోజన్ యాడ్ అవుతాయి. బట్ ఈ ఏ విధంగా హైడ్రోజన్ యాడ్ అవుతాయి? ట్రాన్స్. ఇక్కడ సిస్. ఒకవేళ సిస్ ఫామ్ అయిందనుకో, సిస్ మీన్స్ సో హియర్ pH H. What is this? This is the cis product. In this product, what is the answer? Tell me. Lindlar catalyst. But here hydrogen and pH is given. So what is the answer? Which reducing reagent? In the which reduction, which products are obtained? Trans products are obtained. In the Lindlar catalyst, tell me.
Cis product.
Yeah. That is very important. So what is the which reducing reagent? Lithium or sodium in the presence of
Liquid ammonia.
Liquid ammonia. So what is the Lindlar catalyst? Hydrogen in the presence of palladium by barium sulfate. BaSO4. That is the Lindlar catalyst. So this is the answer. The major organic compound formed by the reaction of 1,1 trichloroethane with silver powder is, okay, listen to me. What is that? Ethane 2 carbons. 1,1 trichlorochlorine. This is CH3. This is one carbon, this second carbon. 1,1 trichloroethane. Okay, this can be treated with silver powder. Easy powder. What is the product? Okay, in this reaction, 2 moles of trichloroethane can react with silver powder. So 2 moles. That is important. Cl. Here is 6 moles of Ag can be taken. What happened? 6 AgCl. 6 AgCl plus CH3 C, right? This can form one bond, this can form one bond. How many bonds are obtained between them? Triple bond is formed between them. Okay, what is its name? Butene. Which butene? Butene. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. That way, the triple bond is present at second carbon. But2I, 2 butane. So this is the answer. So listen to me. The major organic compound formed by the reaction of 1,1-trichloroethane. This is the 1,1-trichloroethane with silver powder. Silver powder means Ag. Here silver powder is reacted with 2 moles of 1,1,1-trichloroethane to form 2-butyl. Okay.